Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa. Today I am going to talk about an Ayurvedic medicine, DRAKSHARISHTA. Many of you are knowing about the medicine DRAKSHARISHTA, General Health Tonic. So, in which all conditions we can use this medicine? That is today's topic. Mainly in respiratory conditions. That means for cold, cough, sinusitis problem, urakshata, uh, TB, TB for TB patients, for asthmatic cases, for any throat diseases, Galaroga, for dry cough, for COPD conditions, for sore throat, bronchitis conditions, allergic conditions, etc. can use this medicine. It will get very good results. Next is for cardiac functioning. It is very helpful. It's a cardiac protective medicine. It helps to decrease the cholesterol levels in our body. Next, it is very good for increasing the stamina of our body, for increasing the energy levels of our body. It acts as an rejuvenator in our body. It also helps us to decrease the stress levels in our body. You can decrease the weakness in your body if you are having by using this medicine. It is also useful for semen related issues like for increasing the quality of semen or volume, etc., or infertility cases also this medicine can be used. You can also use in digestive cases, means indigestion or gas, or if you are getting any feeling of tightness in the stomach, etc. This is very helpful for increasing the agni. Basically for increasing the agni, this is very helpful medicine. It also helps for the intestinal cleansing also. Next is you can use this medicine for decreasing the heat in our body. Many ladies come to my clinic and they are telling that they are getting much of heat in their body. Maybe many reasons are there. Hormonal imbalance is a reason. Next is the menopausal time is a reason. Like that, so many factors are there. So it is very helpful in these times, menopausal time, or in some children, teenagers, girls. It is seen that, observed that they are after 12th, 11th, 12th, they are shifted to their hostels or somewhere else for their studies and all. So while they are in hostel, they are not bothered about food, complete diet and all. So they will get many problems in their body. It will affect our hemoglobin, it will lead to anemia and all, or PCOD type conditions, or irregular periods, or it will make some hormonal imbalances in our body. So for all of these conditions you can use this medicine. In all cases for prevention of the diseases you can use this medicine. Mainly they are affected with the hair fall. Many of the ladies are affected with the hair fall and they don't know the reason also. That is a very shocking thing. Next is in anemia cases, for hemoglobin less condition, it is also very helpful. And like that only in bleeding, Raktapitta Jaisa conditions, bleeding conditions in our body, it is used for piles and all, internal or external piles or bleeding piles. Due to these bleeding piles, many people are affected and they are not willing to go to consult a doctor also. In those cases also, it will be very helpful medicine. Next is many people are telling that they have done all the tests and all, but also they are feeling very low energy level in their body. They don't know the reason why they are not having energy, why they are not active and all. So in those conditions also it is very useful. Many people are telling that they are very lean persons, they are not gaining weight and all. And weakness is a main issue. They are feeling weakness, very tired at every time. No causes for that and all. But also they are feeling very tired and all. In that cases also this medicine is very useful. Like that only, our children are very much affected with worms and all, supping worms and all. So in those conditions also it is very much effective medicine. So some mothers are coming to my clinic and they are telling that if they are giving some uh, food bite to their children, they are keeping in their mouth only, they are not taking inside. So for those children also, if they are giving Draksharishtam for their children, it will increase their Agni and it is very helpful to take, they will get very hungry. So they can eat much. That is the case. Next cases, it is also useful in the skin diseases also. It is very effective medicine. And for the cleansing in the body, cleansing, removing the toxins from our body, it is very helpful medicine. Like that only, it is useful in the throat pain or any pharyngitis conditions, or in mild conditions it will be used. Like that only, it's also used for eye diseases, problems in our eyes, for increasing or for nowadays many children are going through these problems. They are attending online classes, after that they are watching their gadgets and all, they are spending much more time in their gadgets. So obviously it will affect our eyes power and all. So this is a good medicine for maintaining the normalcy, maintaining a balance uh, in our eye vision and all. Like that only, for the cases of pimples, many girls are affected during the teenage. It's okay, it's a normal thing. For that no need of medicines and all. But some girls are getting very much bigger acne problems. They are very, maybe because of the skin issues or so many other reasons are also there. And some naughty girls will do something with a, to prick their pimples with their nails and all. Many times we will tell them to don't do like that. We will make them to convince all these things, but many times they will do because they are more conscious about their skin and all. So many girls will do like that. So for all the pimples or problems related to dandruff and all, or any scalp itching conditions also, this medicine is very effective. And like that only, if you're having any problem in your gums or oral cavity, if you're having bleeding gums or any bad breath, or some, if some sort of smell is coming in your mouth and all the, and dryness in your mouth, if you are having dryness in your mouth, it is very helpful. So these all are the overall general points to remember about the Draksharishta. It is very good general health tonic. It also helps to increase the immunity of our body, and for increasing our Jatragni it is very useful. So after increasing the Jatragni, we will be devoid of all the diseases. That is the main thing. So mainly one more thing is there. uh, who can't take this medicine? Mainly diabetes patients can avoid this medicine. And if you are having any gastric irritation, if your stomach is very sensitive, those people also can avoid this medicine. So I have told about the Draksharishta today. So many points are there, but I have make it some precise also. So if you are having any doubt, please comment below. And thank you for watching. Please like and share. Thank you.